Set high in the mountain landscape of Fjell, Norway, the Hooded Cabin by Arkitektværelset As is a 73 square meter retreat designed for a challenging environment of strong winds, heavy snow, and strict building regulations. Rather than resisting these conditions, the design embraces them, resulting in a compact cabin that combines traditional mountain architecture with a contemporary expression. Its simple form allows it to sit naturally within the rugged terrain while maintaining a distinctive identity. The cabin's defining feature is its oversized roof, which gives the project its name. Clad in pine, this protective hood extends beyond the main volume, sheltering the entrance and exterior walls from the harsh climate. The contrast between the warm timber roof and the dark facade creates a striking architectural profile, helping the building stand out while remaining connected to its natural surroundings. Inside, the layout is organized to capture views of the nearby lake and mountains. Large corner windows and sliding glass doors bring daylight deep into the living spaces and strengthen the relationship between the interior and the landscape. Although the cabin has a relatively small footprint, these openings create a greater sense of openness and connection to nature. A warm material palette of oak flooring and timber wall panels gives the interior a comfortable and welcoming atmosphere. The main level contains the primary living spaces, a bedroom, bathroom, and sauna, while an open loft above provides additional sleeping areas. Through efficient planning, climate-responsive design, and its distinctive roof form, the Hooded Cabin demonstrates how a small mountain home can feel both practical and architecturally memorable.